Come here. Want some lovin's? Yeah, I know you want lovin's. Go get Mikey, honey. Those towards a mess. So I've been doing laundry.
He's coming this way, it looks like.
Go get Mikey, honey. Rub your head. Want to rub your head? Come here. Come here.
Is she missing a little feathers in the back?
Oh, yeah. All the red ones.
Did she have them last time?
Yeah, she pulls them out when she's nervous. Come here. Come here.
What's she got to be nervous about?
I don't know.
It's sad.
I know.
Her little dog loves everything.
Yes, she does. She loves my lovin's. You go get Mikey now, huh? Go get Mikey, honey.
I'll back up.
Don't you bother him. You go get Mikey. You go get Mikey.
I think she wants to climb up my soft boot.
Take dark hair to the next level. New Faria Big.
Okay, I think you've been a star for a minute and a half. We're going to get an up-close picture. Now, do you want to say something? I never noticed that about the feet. The feet are 2 in the front and 2 in the back.
Yeah.
The dog photo bombs. The parrot. Is that a parrot?
Mm-hmm. Elf and Gray.